Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on subtitles in Netmirror app in 2025 step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Netmirror app on your device and play any movies or series. Next, once the video starts, tap on the screen to show the playback controls. Look for the CC icon or subtitles button, usually located on the top or bottom corner of the player. Tap it and select your preferred subtitle language like English or others available. If subtitles are not showing, try this fix. Stop the video and restart it and turn the subtitles off and on again. Some version of Netmirror may require enable subtitles per video, so always check the player settings menu. Make sure also that you have a stable internet connection because subtitles may fail to load on slow connections. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.